All right, what's going on, guys? How you doing? We're gonna do a little bit of videos with this. I'm gonna buy eventually. I probably either do a 4x8 sheet of plywood, or I'm gonna do a 4x4 sheet of plywood. But we have some more. We're gonna print them out. I've got about 20 of them. I've been messing with the slicer on this, so I made some of these here like this. They're a little shorter, but I offset them so that, because unfortunately from here to here is like 164, and from here to here is 172 millimeters. So if I would have known, I could have squared them off and either make them 172 the same or 164 the same, so that you could turn these no matter what. But these have to go one way only between these here, so you can offset these rocks here. But now I changed it in the slicer, so now this side here is 164 and 172, so you can move them square. But if I did 172 basically by 172, I could have just moved these and just mess with the Z. But hey, when you do 3D print, excuse me, 3D printing, you're learning, you know. But I've already printed out like 20 of these plates of one size, and then I started varying with this one here. It's like 90 millimeters high. This one I think is about 70. So they vary between here, and these are like 40, I think. They're like shorter than this. So, but you know, I think the normal ones I printed out were these, or the normal size. So unfortunately, when you print out 20 of these and then you start messing around, that you could realize you mess around with the slicer. Unfortunately, when you print 20 of those, you're not gonna scrap them out. I mean, it's like $6. It's like 6 plates a roll, so you're talking like $10. $10 for 6 of those, so you're talking like $30 worth of material plus electricity and time. It takes like 5-6 hours. For the normal, I think normal ones are these. These are a little bit longer because of height, and then some of these I think are 70. I think these are 70 maybe. I'm not sure. I might have some that are different size. Might be 70. I have a couple more right here that are, I want to say these are the normal size ones. I think these are normal size because, yeah, I have some residue tape or duct tape underneath right now to hold it. But I probably will get a board and screw them in. But these, I think, that are normal print. Height and everything is normal print. And I just adjusted these on here. I made them 90. And I think these are a little bit lower to see what they did. But I think I have 1 or 2 of these, the pair. But then I have 2 pairs of these shorty ones that are offset, that I messed with the slicer. And I think this one too, I messed with the slicer on the offset, like the squareness of it, because this here normally would be over here, and I turned it so I just changed the length. But it's all good. I mean, we'll make it work. I mean, if I print out another set some other time or design my own, I'll make sure that they're squared plates. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little video of this. We'll do definitely a different video, another video. I have this guy here. I need to put the shocks in it, the trail arms. So I got black trail arms that are gonna go in it, and once I get those, I'm gonna put these orange. I got these gold. They say gold, but those are gonna be the shocks in there for that. But yeah, we're just messing around with this, just playing around. Get a little video. Little video, stuff like that. But we'll probably do a bigger sheet of plywood. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna try to make higher, like make these ones over here. Make these guys a lot higher, so we can get it maybe as high as my print will go. My print can go up to like 250. I think it's like 250. I'm not sure of the height of it, but we're gonna make some ones that go up higher, so we can crawl up them and see. And then I just gotta go through the ones that I had already had like what heights I did on those. I have some that I should have started where I changed the height. I should have started measuring them and writing them down on the bottom underneath. But yeah, we're just messing around with this. But yeah, we're gonna get a bit of bigger piece. We're just testing it out. Get a feel for it, where I can adjust stuff, move stuff, make different things. Sometime I'm gonna make a course out. I got a bunch of pallets I'm gonna use as a base table outside, and then I think I'll make it so it's capable of... She's stuck. Let's see if we can get her out with some steering, some four-wheel steering. A little crab walker out of there. See if we can get it. But yeah, we're just, just playing around with this. We've had a couple of videos before with I had that yellow one, but I switched the panels instead of doing the road. I put these wheels on it to match with these, and I switched the panels out on this one, on the black one, the yellow one, and then made it black. And then I did that so that I'm gonna have to do the shocks, not so that I have to swap them out, but just kill two birds with one stone. Put these wheels on this to match with the links and everything. Probably sometime I'm gonna replace the drive shaft and that stuff. I mean, I don't know about the axles, so we can leave the axles. We don't need to go too far in the depth of that. We're just messing with it. We're not, I mean, we decided to make it some kind of crazy comp rig or crazy something. But yeah, we're gonna we'll get the plywood, lay out what we want for, look at a little flexy of the tire. the tire, not the tire, but the shock. It's like, but yeah, we got a set of black trail links, or high links, high trail links, whatever you want to call them. We'll set them up on that. But yeah, we'll probably build something outside. I'm gonna have some outside, and this will be something I'll mess around in the indoors, build different things. I don't know about an indoor course, though. My basement, I got a big enough basement, but I get a lot of stuff. I would like to find the steering, though. Need to find the steering, because the trail links that come with these, the steering links don't work. They're too, I don't know if they're too long or they're too short. I don't remember. We gotta find like a trail link that'll match up, maybe. I don't know. It's still got the plastic steering. Let's see if we can get that. Get it up there. There we go. Oh yeah, look at it. It's up. There, she's caught. Really, these tires broken into, getting a little bit of stickiness. She's caught on that. Come on. There we go. We got her out. Alright, we'll end this one. So hope you like it. Please subscribe. And thank you for checking out this video. Alright? Alright, check you out. Alright, later.